Hey fam, it's Miss D here to get you in step with an instructional video of your favorite line dance. Now today I want to pay homage to this new city that I've moved to, the Washington DC DMV area. So we are learning the Chuck Baby line dance. It is an oldie, but it is a goodie, y'all. I just love watching these old videos. Those folks are out there jamming. So we're going to get in on some of that too, all right? Okay, it is a two-wall dance. You're going to face the front and the back, and it's 4 counts of 8. Okay, so let's get started. Turning my back to make it easier to follow. This is my right. This is my left. Okay, first count of 8 starts on our left with a triple step. Left, right, left. Okay, left, right, left, and then cross. All right, now the beat on this starts a little different than the other line dances. When the other line dances, you know, when I'm counted out, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then we move. On this particular line dance, we're going to start on the and 8. When I'm counting 5, 6, 7, and 8, that's when we start to move, okay? So it looks like this. 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1, okay? Cross over with the right, cross over the left on 1, step out, 2, cross 3, and 4, okay? So left, right, left, cross, out, cross, and cross, okay? From here, tap left and back, tap right and back. All right, we got that? Let's try it. 5, 6, 7, left, right, left, cross, out, cross and cross, tap left and back, tap right and back. Okay, that's the first count. Second count, you're going to continue with the taps, tap left and back, tap right and back. So you're going to do a total of 4 of those. And now you're going to do a full 360 turn. You're going to keep this right foot planted and you're going to use your left to get, you have 3 counts to get around. You're going to pivot, 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 okay? So let's try that. Starting with the second count. 1, 2, 3, 4, turn, 5, 6, 7. Okay? That's the second count of 8. So let's try those first 2 counts together. Ready? 5, 6, 7. Left, right, left, cross, out, cross and cross, tap, and back tap, and back tap, and back tap, and back turn. 1, 2, 3. We got it? Halfway, y'all, halfway. So now I'm going to do it one more time. I'm going to count it out. Okay? 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 4. Tap 5, 6, tap 7, 8, tap 1, 2, tap 3, turn 5, 6, 7. All right. From here, we start our third count. It's going to start with that triple beat. All right. It's the and 8 and 1. All right. And the music, I don't know if I told you earlier, but the music, you know, the song is the boom, right? So that's what we're doing. It's the okay? So it's right, left, right, cross, out, cross, and cross, okay? Same move as earlier. Now we're just moving to the right, okay? So we just turned 5, 6, 7, right, left, right, cross, out, cross, and cross, okay? From here, tap right, cross front, tap left, cross front, okay? Let's do that much. Let's count it out. 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, tap 5, cross 6, tap 7, cross 8, okay? From here, we're going to do one more tap. This is the 4th count of 8. One more tap out with the right, cross front. So you're going to do a total of 3 crosses to the front. And then you're going to step with the left. You're going to take 2 counts to turn. Okay? 1, 2. Okay? So what did I do? Tap in front, cross 1, 2. Tap out and cross, left, turn, turn. Okay. From here, we're going to step with our right, and then left together, and then back, left, right? So the flow is right, cross, turn, 1, 2, step, right, together, step, back. Okay? And that is the fourth count. We count it out. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, turn, 3, 4, step, 5, 6, step, 7, and 8. Okay? All right. And that is the 4 counts. That's the end. Now we start over. But the way that we start over this time, earlier when we started, we were left, right, left, cross. At this point in the rest of the dance, the way you're doing your triple beat is you're going to right, left, tap, and then cross. Okay? So we just went 5, 6, 7, right, left, tap, cross. And then you start the dance over doing your cross steps to the left. All right? That's it. That's the dance. So let's do all 4 counts together. Ready? Okay? 5, 6, 7, left, right, left, cross, out, cross and cross, left tap and back, right tap and back. Second count, left tap and back, right tap and back, turn, 1, 2, 3. Third count, right, left, right, cross, out, cross and cross, tap out in front, tap out in front. Fourth count, tap out in front. Now turn, turn, step front and back. Start over. Right, left, tap, cross. Right? Let's keep going. Okay? That is it. That is it, y'all. So I will do it again. Let's do 2 rotations this time. Let's get the flow so you can see the transition since it's different in the beginning than it is in the middle and the rest of the song, okay? And we can count it out too. See the flow. Feel the flow. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, and 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, out 5, 6, out 7, back 8, out 1, back 2, out 3, back 4, turn 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, out, cross front, out, cross front, turn 3, 4, up 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, cross, back, 1, 2, 3, 4, turn 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, turn 3, 4, up 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, hey, and 6, and 8, and 2, 3, 4, turn 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, and 8, and 2, turn, up and back, ta, 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 ha, ba, 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 ta, 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 ba, ta, 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 turn, up and back, ta, 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 ta. All right, y'all got it? Put your own flavor to it once you get comfortable with it. Woo, that was so much fun. So, you guys, I'm having fun. I want you to have fun too. If you are, like, share, subscribe. I am here for you. All right? See you next time. Y'all take care out there. Love you. Mwah.